This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your LiftMaster garage door opener remote. Please prioritize safety first, making sure your garage door is fully closed and no one is near the moving parts before you begin. Erasing old remotes is a great way to boost security, especially if a remote is lost or stolen. This simple process will wipe all paired devices from your opener's memory, giving you a fresh start. You will then need to reprogram any remotes you wish to keep using. Next, you need to locate the Learn button on your garage door opener unit. This button is usually found on the back or side panel, adjacent to the antenna wire. It's a small, square button, typically colored red, purple, yellow, or green, which helps identify your specific opener type. Take care to ensure you have a stable stepladder if you need to reach the unit, as safety is paramount during this step. Identifying the correct button is crucial for the next step. Once you have located the Learn button, firmly press and hold it down. The indicator light next to the button will come on. Continue to hold the button for approximately 6 seconds until the indicator light goes out completely. This light going off confirms that all remote codes have been successfully erased from your opener's memory. It's essential to hold the button continuously until the light extinguishes to ensure a complete and effective erasure of all paired devices. Now that you have performed the erasure, test any old remotes or keypads to confirm they no longer operate your garage door. This simple check ensures the process was successful. If any old device still functions, simply repeat the erasing steps from the beginning. Your opener is now cleared and ready for you to program new remotes or reprogram your existing ones. Refer to your LiftMaster manual for specific instructions on how to add new devices. Your garage access is now secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.